Transferring money from your CoinStats to Trust Wallet. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from your CoinStats connected exchange to Trust Wallet in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. CoinStats tracks your balances, but the actual funds live on your exchange's wallet, and you will need to move the crypto from there. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet and then select the token that you want to receive, and then tap the receive to copy your wallet address. Step 3. Log into Binance, Coinbase, or whatever exchange is linked to your CoinStats. And then go to the withdraw and or send option. Step 4. Choose the token that you chose in your Trust wallet, and then paste your Trust wallet ID or address and double check the network if it matches, such as BEP20 or ERC20. Step 5. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. The funds should appear in your Trust wallet in a few minutes or an hour. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.